Community. When you search this word on Google, this is what it shows. A group of people who have something in common. But what does community mean in the context of Salesforce? And why should you join one? In this video, we'll explore these questions and show you some of the top Salesforce communities to check out. And also make sure you watch this video till the end because we have bonus and important information for you. A community is a place where people with similar interests can connect, share their knowledge, and help each other. Salesforce communities are no different. They bring together employees, customers, and partners to connect and collaborate. These communities offer a secure and flexible way to get support, share information, and engage with others in the Salesforce world. Before we discuss the top 5 Salesforce communities, let me tell you why you should join these Salesforce communities. Salesforce is continuously growing, and in this environment, effective communication, support, and collaboration are very important. So communities on Salesforce can be a great way for you to build your skills and solve your doubts. According to me, there are mainly 4 reasons why you should be part of some learning community. First reason is that you can share your knowledge and experiences. As communities are a great way to share what you have learned on your Salesforce journey and help others along the way. You can offer advice and encourage others to do things better. Second reason is that you can take help from others to solve your doubts. As communities have people who share similar interests, so you are more likely to find a quick and efficient solution to your questions. Third reason is that you get networking opportunities. Communities are a great way to meet like-minded people, find mentors, and build connections that can advance your Salesforce career. You might even discover new job opportunities or partnerships. Fourth and the last reason is that you can stay informed with the Salesforce world. Communities are buzzing with news and updates about the Salesforce world. Joining one ensures you to stay at the forefront of the latest Salesforce technology. So these are some reasons that can make you want to join a Salesforce community, right? Now let's explore the top 5 Salesforce communities you should consider joining. On number 1, we have the Trailblazer community. This is a global group for anyone who uses Salesforce. Whether you are a developer, an admin, a partner, or just getting started, it is a great place to level up your skills, meet awesome people, and even help others on their Salesforce journey. Millions of people are already part of this thriving community, so why not join them? And if you are just starting with Salesforce, the Trailblazer community is a great place to begin your journey. Now, the second Salesforce community that you should join is the 4Stocks. 4Stocks is a platform where Salesforce professionals can connect, share knowledge, and discuss various topics related to Salesforce development, administration, and customization. It is a community-driven platform where users can ask questions, share their expertise, and learn from others in the Salesforce ecosystem. Moving on, the third community is Salesforce Reddit. To all those who don't know what Reddit is a network of communities where people can dive into their interests, hobbies, and passion. At Reddit, you can find different Salesforce-based communities like Salesforce Career, Salesforce Certified, as well as profile-based communities like Salesforce Admin, Salesforce Developer, etc. In these communities, you can ask your doubts, you can share information, and many more. Now let's talk about the fourth Salesforce community, the Ohana Slack community. Salesforce users, developers, and administrators use Ohana Slack to communicate with each other. It is a place where members can ask questions, share knowledge, and connect with others in the Salesforce ecosystem. In this community, you can also find dedicated channels for every Salesforce product and job discipline. Now, the fifth and the last Salesforce community is the Salesforce Stack Exchange. Have you ever got stuck on tech problems and searched for answers online? Then you have probably stumbled upon Stack Exchange. It's a massive network of questions and answer website for all sorts of topics. Now, Salesforce Stack Exchange is specifically for Salesforce fans. This platform is like a clubhouse for Salesforce administrators, developers, and anyone else who uses Salesforce. It's user-friendly space to share knowledge, solve problems you might be facing, and collaborate with other Salesforce experts. And now it's time to deliver the bonus and important information that we have promised in the beginning of the video. We have recently launched our free collaborative community for Salesforce professionals. Our mission is to help you learn, grow, and excel towards excellence. In this community, we share the latest Salesforce development, career, tips and tricks, videos and blogs, all aimed at help you excel in your Salesforce career. Additionally, you can ask specific doubts related to your projects or work in the community, and there are experts who will resolve them. We already have more than 100 members within a few days, and we would love to have you as a part of our growing community. You can join our community by clicking on the link given in description. By now, I hope you have a good overview of some of amazing Salesforce communities available. Remember, the best way to get the most out of these communities is to join them and start participating. Also, these are just a few of the amazing communities out there, and there are many others doing fantastic work. So let us know in the comment section which Salesforce community is your favorite. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Salesforce Hulk for more such insightful videos. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one.